Disclaimer before we dive in. Before we delve into the details of this project, I'd like to issue a disclaimer emphasizing the significance of security and legality. This project is presented in its original form, and while we encourage exploration and learning, we strongly advise you to perform a thorough security check through services like VirusTotal. It's crucial to understand that null scripts can pose serious threats to your server's security and integrity. Therefore, if your intent is merely to test and learn from the project, that's acceptable. However, for those planning to use this in a production environment, we strongly recommend purchasing the official version from Code Canyon. This approach ensures you receive a secure, stable, and legally compliant product. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hey, everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to introduce you to Perfex CRM, a self-hosted customer relationship management software that's perfectly tailored for companies of all sizes, freelancers, and various other professional entities. Perfex CRM's sleek and modern design is not just about aesthetics, it plays a crucial role in enhancing your business's professionalism and performance. Why Perfex CRM? Managing customer relationships is foundational to any business, and Perfex CRM stands out by offering a comprehensive suite of features designed to streamline this process. Project Management and Invoicing. Seamlessly manage and invoice projects with an integrated, powerful project management tool. Task Organization. Link tasks across Perfex CRM features to maintain organization and focus. Estimates and Invoices. Create professional-looking estimates and invoices to reflect your business's quality. Support System. A robust support system capable of auto-importing tickets, simplifying your customer service process. Time Tracking and Billing. Track the time spent on tasks with the option to bill customers accordingly. Assign tasks to multiple staff members and monitor time per staff. Lead Management. Centralize your lead management, auto-import leads from emails, and effortlessly progress them through the sales funnel. Proposals and Sales. Enhance your sales with attractive proposals for leads and customers. Expense Tracking and Billing. Monitor company expenses and directly bill them to customers when applicable. Comprehensive CRM. Get to know your customers better and retain them through integrated surveys. Goals and Announcements. Set sales goals and make announcements to staff and customers to keep everyone informed. Contracts and Custom Fields. Secure future sales with contracts and store additional information through custom fields. Payments and Configurations. Receive payments through various platforms in different currencies with extensive customization options. Branding and Media Organization. Tailor the CRM to your branding and allow staff to organize their media files effectively. Calendars, follow-ups, and more. Personalized calendars, efficient follow-up mechanisms, and comprehensive reports to streamline operations. Perfex CRM is more than just a tool, it's a solution designed to elevate customer satisfaction through an efficient ticket system, reminders, and a host of other features aimed at resolving issues swiftly and boosting client engagement. Discover more with Perfex CRM. Perfex CRM's versatility is unmatched, offering a plethora of features suited for various applications. We encourage you to explore these features further and try the demo to witness firsthand how Perfex CRM can propel your business to success. Thank you and happy coding. We're glad you joined us for this walkthrough. Thank you for watching, and here's to your coding journey being both successful and enlightening.